Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from Awesome Android Apps. Today we are going to show you one useful app for all Android users. This app name is Logopit Plus. Look at this app. I open it. It's take a little bit time. You can create all kind of logo with this app. Look at this. Create new. Guys, look. You can create logo, Facebook cover page, Twitter cover page, YouTube cover, YouTube thumbnail, Twitter post, poster, flyer, Facebook post, Instagram post, thumbnail graphic, Pinterest post, Google Plus cover, Twitter cover, Twitch video image. Guys, it provides all kind of created page. That's why you don't worry to create your Facebook page or Facebook cover page. It provides all kinds of social media picture format. That's why you easily any kind of picture you add it. This make you graphics. This make you one great wallpaper. Like you do not any photo use your phone wallpaper, but if you like one picture and trying to use this picture as your mobile wallpaper, this time you click this and enter this picture from your gallery and make it your mobile wallpaper. Everything like this. Just you make a trying Facebook cover page, your cover. That's why you click this app. Give all kind of interesting features like writing a specialist, like I am writing hello. You add all kind of design. Color have no problem, guys. It's unique. You just design it as you wish. It's great app. I give the link on my description. You can easily down install on your device. Please guys, subscribe this channel and share this video. We regularly post this kind of useful video for you. Thanks for watching.